message. The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Buffalo County, southern Sherman County, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:03 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing ping-pong ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 5 miles east of Riverdale, or 6 miles north of Kearney, and moving north at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Riverdale, Poole, Pleasanton, Ravenna, Rockville, and Hazard. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers 286 and 292. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although not immediately likely, if a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or a small interior room. This is a supercell thunderstorm. Due to the rotating nature of these storms, they are capable of producing all types of severe weather, including extremely large hail, destructive straight-line winds, and possibly tornadoes. Move quickly to a safe shelter, preferably into an interior room, such as a bathroom or a closet, or into a basement. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Buffalo, and Sherman.